Hello viewers, welcome to Mathstoon. In this video, we will learn to factorize 9 minus 6 square. To know more about factorization, you can visit mathstoon.com or you can also check the link given in the description box. So let's start. Our given expression is 9 minus 6 square. Now we will rewrite this expression as 3 whole square minus 6 square. As we all know that 3 whole square is 9. Now look that this is in the form of a square minus b square, where a is 3 and b is x. So we can now apply the formula of a square minus b square in this expression. Applying this, we get this equal to 3 minus x times 3 plus x. As we cannot factorize further, so finally we get 9 minus 6 square is equal to 3 minus 6 times 3 plus x. So this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like and share this video if you find it useful. Leave your comment in the comment box. Do not forget to subscribe this channel. Please hit the bell icon to get notification of new videos earlier.